Hi friends! Today I'm sharing how to scrapbook with sketches. It can really kickstart your pages. This is Emily's Paper Caper, where you'll find inspiration to scrap your stash. So be sure to hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. Now let's get scrapping. I recently bought this book with more than 500 scrapbook sketches in it. I found it online and I'll put the link down below. Today I'll show you a couple of ways to use the sketches to really kickstart your scrapbooking, and you'll get more pages done. Take a look at this.
I've decided to do a 2-page layout with 3 photos on each page. So I needed to find a sketch that would work well for 3 photos. I easily found a sketch that I liked in the book by looking under the 3 photos section. Now what to do for the second page? Well, the great thing about sketches is you can flip them around and they make a perfect companion page. There are also 2-page spread ideas in this book. So I'm going to speed things up from here and go ahead and arrange my photos on the page. We did some mini golf over spring break. We took a trip to Tucson and we found a great mini golf course. And I have photos from this along with our scorecard. We didn't actually keep score, but I saved the card to use on the page. Now that the pictures are mainly in place, I've decided to add some matting to help the photos really stand out. So I'll do a lot of this off camera as well, but I've decided also to create some more of the arrows by using some of the matting, and there's still plenty of matting for behind the photos. I've had this punch in my stash for years. I love it, and it's great to have a reason to get it out. I do not know what the name of this shape is, though. If you know what it's called, let me know in comments. It reminds me of Sergeant Stripes, but I don't think that's the right name for this shape. I'm going to use my favorite black letter stickers to add title to the bottom of the right-hand page. And I'll do a lot of this off camera to save time. Spare you from having to watch me spell all these words out. Spring Break 2017. Now it's time to get that left-hand page mounted. After selecting everything and seeing how the right-hand page went together, it was easy to put the left-hand page. I had extra of the punch pieces left over, and I'll save those for another project. I've been trying to use up this sticker sheet for some time. I've loved using it. There's some flowers that I'm adding as tiny photo corner accents, and then I'll use one of the journal stickers to add a little bit of journaling to the page. I think these stickers add just what the final touch needed on this layout. Here's that journal spot and I'll finish it up here in a jiffy.
This book is just one source of sketches. You can find them on Pinterest and lots of blogs. Just do a Google search for Scrapbook sketch and you'll find a bunch. Once you start using them, you'll be amazed at how quickly you can get your pages done. Ciao for now.